How to stop sync contact on Telegram. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to stop sync contact on Telegram. To do this, you need to first of all open the Telegram application and log into your account. So once you open up the Telegram application, tap the tab bar icon from the top right, go to settings from the menu page. As you go to the settings section, scroll down a bit, come to this chat settings, right? So here, if you go ahead and scroll down, you should be able to find these sync contact options. You could go ahead and look for it. However, if you cannot find it, then exit out. You could go to data and storage as well. And then you could find the sync contact as well. Otherwise, if you're not able to find it there as well, you could come to the privacy and security as well and look for these options, sync contact. So there it is. You could just go ahead and toggle the button, and this way you'll have successfully stopped sync contact on Telegram. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.